Ew. This is nasty.
Hi, my name's Tristan and you're watching Disney Channel. Oh my god! Oh, back here.
Hey, good morning. Today is Sunday, August 15th, and I'm going to meet up with Nick right now so we could start doing this drive down to Florida. We still have a few things that we need to do before we can actually head out, but I'm on my way over there right now to give him a hand with whatever he needs. I think he might need to still put the cargo bin on the top, but I'm really excited for this week. It's been a minute since I've been out of New York, and I'm gonna have a great time. Woo! Oh, how I'm gonna miss this car. Hello. Hello, happy doggo. Another.
Four.
What's up, Vic?
What's up?
Ready for a road trip?
Oh yeah.
Drive safe, hooligans. Let's get it. All right, Nick's about to grab some gas, and I'm about to grab some food because I need a snack for the ride.
JR got another one.
Dude, that guy had a cat on his back.
Yeah, I know, it's pretty crazy.
I was like, what the hell?
You're just chilling there.
I was walking around, I see this guy bent over with a cat on his back. Quick little stop to stretch the legs.
Drain the main vein.
Drain the main vein. Where he at?
He's right here. He's vibing.
Just chilling with my little bunny friend over here. What's up, Tony? Hey. I'm gonna miss my car all week. I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is gonna suck. But I mean, I'm also gonna have a good time because I'm gonna be not home and doing shit. I feel tubby now.
What do you mean you feel tubby? No, I'm just kidding.
I feel tubby now.
I'm the tubby one. So how's it feel driving manual again?
I don't like all-wheel drive cars manual. Your clutch grab's really high.
I know.
I'm used to like the clutch grabbing low because mine grabbed like right at the bottom on the BMW. But
Yeah, mine's at like the top.
yeah, I feel that now. Catching it. Learning again.
Yeah, you gotta let out like 90% of the clutch and then
Yeah.
then start hitting the gas.
Yeah, no, on the 328, I was able to just like play back and forth with it. This, you can't really do that.
Subies are weird.
Yeah, not a fan, honestly, but you know, they're nice.
I miss my 2003.
The Bug-Eye?
Yeah, I had a hatchback Bug-Eye.
The Bug-Eye was cool.
Dude, it was fun. You remember I had 312s in the back?
Yeah, that was stupid, bro. That thing was worse than Dylan's truck.
What do you mean? How's Dylan's truck? Never heard it. Like,
Oh my god, you can't, literally, you don't even hear music. All you hear is bass.
That's pretty funny.
Oh, gotta let out all
bike
the way.
clutch.
I gotta let out all the way. That's
Fifth gear
again. Jeez, your gears are so short.
Alright, so we're just pulling up near the hotel now. We're gonna call it a night for driving. It's 11:10 at night, and then we're gonna be up on the road again by 8 in the morning tomorrow, so we can get to Orlando at a reasonable hour of the day. Victoria needs her keys for moving in, and the office closes at 5, so we're gonna have to, you know, try and beat that for sure. But yeah, we're just got over the border of South Carolina, so.
Bro, I feel like a pack mule carrying all these bags.
Kinda are.
Wow, fuck you.
Never been in a hotel ever. I really.
Yo, you said so much.
A fucking Holiday Inn. What is this?
It's a quality. Come on.
It don't look that bad. Alright, the lights don't work, but that's cool. We'll just chill in the dark. We're going to sleep anyway. Ew. This is nasty. I got the lights to work though. Bro, there's a fucking train here too.
You've got to be.
This is not it today. I'm out. It is 12:38 at night. Why is the train blasting the horn? I gotta go to bed.
In this shithole that we are in.
Oh, right now.
Yeah,
Bro.
yeah. Dude, this place is disgusting. Literally, the first one we walk into, our first.
Bro, our mirror was just covered with like toothpaste spit.
Right. The trashes still had other people's shit in them. There was like a handprint in like a dark brown on the wall. Like, this is some fucking.
Bro, there was poop stains underneath the toilet paper holder.
And then just now we're chilling, right? And we hear. Sure enough, there's a fucking train right in front of this place, and they're blaring the horns as they're going by.
Do you see what time it is?
It's almost 1 in the morning.
It basically is 1 in the morning. What is it? 12:40? 12:50?
12:40, yeah.
12:40?
Yeah.
Wait, where are you guys?
South Carolina. Alright, we're back. Day number 2. We're currently in Georgia. We just stopped to get some gas, got some Sonic, I got some French toast, and he got some buffalo chicken.
I'm tired.
Yeah.
That hotel.
It was
not
disgusting. Tristan took over driving for a little bit. I'm gonna hop on my computer and work a little bit because it's Monday and I have to do adult things. But yeah, so we'll see you guys in a bit.
So it just overflowed out of the thing. It's still dripping. I'm assuming it's done. That was a mess.
So we're about a half an hour away from the apartment. Victoria's really got away with words, so at the next light I'm gonna get out and shoot a spitball at her windshield because FTB, you know? Bounce right off.
Alright, so we finally made it here. We got all Nick's stuff in his room. He's setting all his stuff up right now. I'm about to shower, and we about to go chill for the rest of the day.
Oh, yeah. Shut up, electric.
Go! You're gonna hate us. Hi, my name's Tristan, and you're watching Disney Channel. Oh shit!
Way to fucking hit me with it, jackass. Hell yeah. Oh wait, maybe we should move these ones.
Put it in reverse, Terry.
Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh Lord, Jesus.
Oh shit, it's still alive. Put it in reverse, Terry.
We should go back inside.
Alright, oh my god, it's still going. It's still going. How do we roll this up?
Oh my god! We're getting evicted.